So, good day sir, I am John Caldi Anyora and my partner is Mark M. Saribida. We are from section G to D. Recommended construction of watertight bulkheads as per SOLAS regulations. According to SOLAS regulations, watertight bulkheads should be constructed with a design that ensures they can withstand significant water pressure, typically by using thick, vertically stiffened plating, and should be positioned based on the ship's size and intended use, with the most critical being the collision bulkheads must be located between 5 and 8% of the ship length aft of the forward perpendicular. All openings all openings within the bulkhead should be fitted with watertight doors or closures that can be remotely operated and monitored for proper sealing. So according sa SOLAS or Safety of Life at Sea, kailangan na ay watertight bulkheads ang usa ka barko, which is the strong and the strong internal walls na makapa-stop sa tubig kung ang part sa barko is ma-flood. And usa sa pinaka-importante is ang collision bulkheads na naka-place dyan doon sa front sa barko, specifically between 5 and 8% of the ship's length back from the forward perpendicular. So basically naras likod sa bow. And kini nga system is gidisenyo siya para protektahan ang barko para maprotektahan ang barko sa pag-unload, and so kini nga system is nakadesenyo siya para maprotektahan ang barko sa pag-unload kung ma-damage ang barko. Key aspects of constructing watertight bulkheads as per SOLAS. Material and design. High quality steel plating with appropriate thickness based on the ship's size and anticipated loading conditions. Vertical stiffeners to enhance structural integrity and resist water pressure. Considerations of the bulkhead's location and the potential forces it may encounter. Collision bulkheads needs extra reinforcement. Placement of bulkheads. Collision bulkheads located between 5 and 8% of the ship's length aft of the forward perpendicular. Machinery space bulkheads situated at the end of the engine room or contain flooding in case of damage. After peak bulkheads, enclosing the stern tube and rudder trunk in the watertight compartment.
Good evening, sir. I am Mark M. Sarpida and I am the partner of John Kyle D. Anyora from G2D. Watertight doors. All openings in the bulkheads must be fitted with watertight doors or hatches with reliable closing mechanisms. Doors shall be capable of remote operation from the navigation bridge. Visual and audible alarms to indicated door status, open or closed, testing and maintenance. Regular inspection and testing of watertight doors and bulkheads to ensure functionality. Periodic hydrostatic testing to verify watertight integrity. And I am going to read the important consideration in the watertight doors. First is classification society requirements. Beyond SOLAS regulations, specs construction details may be detected by the relevant classification society. Floodable length calculations. The positioning of bulkheads should be determined by considering the ship's foldable length to optimize stability in case of flooding. Design for damage stability. Bulkheads should be designed to maintain the ship's stability even with one compartment flooded. And that's all. Thank you.